I'm Shari Plantz-Masters, and I'm the Dean of the College of Computer and Information Sciences at Regis University. So the tech industry in Colorado is really hot right now, and a lot of companies are moving to the Colorado area, so there's huge demand for skilled workers. At Regis, in the College of Computer and Information Sciences, we're focused on producing employees that will fill the gap. Industry doesn't just want workers who can do the technical side of things. They want a much broader perspective from their new employees. They want people who have a systems approach to the jobs that they do. They want people who can be creative problem solvers, bring new solutions, and they want somebody who can do something more. So in addition to being top technical talent, being able to address a systems approach to problems, they want people who are going to look for more than the typical solution. Our students don't stop at the first idea. They're always looking for a greater impact, a better way to address the problems that industry has. And that's what makes Regis University student a better employee than just about anybody else. Regis graduate students out of the College of Computer and Information Sciences span multiple industries. We have alumni in government, healthcare, manufacturing, technology companies, startups, entrepreneurs in their own right. And they're making a big difference. For example, we have one who is the Chief Information Security Officer for the state, and she brings her skills to work with government on the local and the federal level, as well as with industry, making the state a much safer place. And this is a very high-powered environment. She works with some of the most powerful, influential people in the state and across the country. Things move quickly in her environment, and she actually has built an organization from, in the last 3 years, from something that wasn't funded in the state to a $5 million budget. And she's done that in collaboration with the FBI, the National Guard, and industry, as well as knowing how to bring the academic world in to help her move forward. Another example, we have an alumni who has started her own business. She has patents in the industry. She's focused on, in some cases, how to bring technology to make the lives of disabled people better. And in addition to that, she has developed some foundations that help our people worldwide. And what she's focused on, she's gone to West Mexico, West Africa, Haiti. She builds foundations that help the local people help themselves. So she's not just giving, she's helping build new things for them. We have alumni who are CIOs in different organizations. In healthcare, we have two alumni in Colorado who are the CIOs of medical centers and large hospitals. So there's a lot of opportunity for the students, and also there's a great opportunity to make a difference in the world. So in Colorado especially, the tech industry is on fire. The state of Colorado has been very aggressive in inviting new companies to headquarter in Colorado. So we are seeing a need for web developers. We're seeing a need for DevOps, which is a agile-based development and operations implementation process. We're seeing a great need for people who understand mobile application development, and you can see these needs. It's in Colorado, it's across the country as well, and you can see needs for people with these skills constantly not being fulfilled. Those jobs are not being filled because there's such a shortage of people. So some of the areas that are really large in Colorado, in the last month, cybersecurity has become probably the top technology area that industries are working for, and that's because cybersecurity crosses everything. We all need to be careful about protecting our data, protecting our identity. Companies who have information need to be careful about how they protect all of that information. And Regis provides, actually has the oldest information assurance technology degree in the state. We've been doing this for over a decade, and many of our students are employed in all of the places. The National Guard, for example, that's responsible for cyber cyber response. If there's a cyber threat against even a large company in the state of Colorado, Regis University has alumni and students who are a part of the National Guard, for example, in the state government and across industries. Another area of importance, and it's an intersection with cybersecurity, is healthcare. Healthcare IT right now is huge. And I'm sure a lot of people have heard about the hospitals across the country who have been held for ransom. Their information technology environment has been taken over by the bad guys, and it's the cybersecurity experts who are going to help us avoid those problems. These hospitals, one in LA last month, one in Washington, D.C., probably last month as well, they had to pay a ransom to get their networks back. This is not good for healthcare. So this is one of the areas where cybersecurity has a significant impact. Other places in healthcare include data analytics. Today, the two highest demand jobs in the tech industry are the data science and the DevOps. Regis has degrees in both areas. We just launched a data science degree last year, and we've completely redesigned our systems engineering degree to focus on DevOps, which is a continuous integration approach to developing software. This gets the software to the operations people much faster. In the past, the developers used to develop and then they'd throw their systems over the wall, and then the operations people would figure out how to implement it and maintain it. Now they coexist in this continuous integration process. There aren't a lot of people who understand all the new tools like Puppet and like Chef or Vagrant. And these are the types of things that Regis has built the Masters of Enterprise Systems Engineering on, so that our students go out with the latest and the greatest, and what they learn in class today, they take to the office the next day. I think there's lots of demand and movement in the tech industry, but the last one that I'd like to talk about is the intersection of data analytics and healthcare. The healthcare space is very big. We have a lot of people who are moving into that baby boomer, or our baby boomers, I should say, who are now needing more and more healthcare. The place where data analytics fits is many people who are focused on healthcare are looking at data analytics in the healthcare space to generate the best innovations in healthcare. And so artificial intelligence is one of the spaces where data analytics is going to help move our healthcare innovations forward. We're easy to find. We have a website. It's www.regis.edu. All of our programs are listed on that site, and you can easily get access to us through there. The College of Computer and Information Sciences has a segment of that website.